Well, good morning, guys. Market's been moving. GDP came out better than expected. Unemployment better than expected. Yet, markets has just been in this pullback. We're almost down 2% from the all-time high here, so... Man, of course I was looking at it in Asia here last night. Thinking about trading, but here I am. I didn't trade last night. Got some rest after a hard day of work. Now we're here to that's on a 5 minute. I was like, what's going on with that? So 3 minutes until the open. Ah, 3 minutes. Yeah. That was a quick move. Well, these are already set 25 to 1, huh? This one, yeah. I think 25 to 1 is probably pretty doable today, so let's just see. See where this goes. We are, 1 minute from open, so... oh, shoot. Oh, we are long on that one. Oh, we're long on both. Okay. And go break even here. Thing is dumping. Let's go above 30. See if we can. Oh man. Wonder if this one got out. It did. This one's still in. There it is. 387 on this one. Okay, I mean, it wasn't like we're being super greedy. May have been a good decision to get out there. This one's, for whatever reason, up quite a bit more, but that's cool. Things up close to 3K, 50, so yeah, 29.28 is total run up there. Let's see, last week plus this week's trading. Send me that info. Coming in at about 12.61. Interesting that it says, oh, because I think before this was probably in a little bit of drawdown, but and this trade today was 865. I mean, that's cool. What was the yeah, that's why I hate the short side. It's always bouncing. This one's up to 147, so that's cool. What was the 10%? No break evens. 9 losses, which was 430. Yeah, and yeah, we just took less losses on the Apex apparently. And apparently we had a $75 loss from slippage. That's gonna happen. Making our average 47. Yeah, you can see it there. This week, this week looks good. 11.76 winning trades, 5.88 break even, 82% losses. Yeah, $1,000 winner, 875, 600. Yeah, so this week we're up 1360 with fees and everything. Yeah, I mean, good a time to any to lock it up. Let's see. I'm curious about today on this one, actually, because yeah, I only had $280 in drawdown today on this one, so that looks good. I'll be right back. Gotta go to the bathroom. All right. So where were we? Just thinking about trade today. Yeah, so we did pull that take profit on the other side of 30. Was that a little bit of fear involved? Yeah, that we could see that it was bouncing. We didn't want to get caught in a reversal, which, you know, looking at it in hindsight, you're like, oh, well, if you would have just held that thing, you know, through this one pullback, I mean, turned into, we were in at 575. I mean, it turned into a 100 and something point runner already. But you never know this in real time. And you don't really need to take more than what you need out of the market. So I knew I wasn't in a lot of drawdown here in this entry area. So I was just like, you know what? I don't even need the full 50 points, which was like down in the 20s. So I just got out in the 30s for 800 in each account, 865 or whatever it was. Let's see, Apex was, yeah, Apex was 865. Tradeify was 875, and yeah, almost 400 there, and a little over 500 in Apex, which is fine. Yeah, these first pullbacks, it's another pattern that, yeah, a lot of time they don't feel great, but they are great. They actually are great spots to like re-enter the direction for a trend. Kind of like a break and retest ish. Not exactly though, it's just more like a first bear flag or first bull flag kind of thing. Yeah, it's, but you know, I just wasn't in the mood to like take a lot of drawdown today. I just wanted to get in and out, and that's what I did. So I'm not sure why this market is on such a downtrend, but let's see. Can see what's going on the old, I think that's the same thing. No. Oh, maybe. Is the risk, I mean, it's still saying we're going to get a rate cut. Current rate has only got a 16% chance of holding up. If we go see if there's any other highlights here. Swiss Bank is at policy rate of 0%. We got jets, but it says orange news. U.S. deploy jets against Russian bombers. Complaints about tariffs. Yeah, I don't know. the threat of war could be causing a deeper than normal pullback, but who knows? Yeah, see, now we're getting a dead cat bounce, it looks like. But yeah, now we're down more than 2% in this little capitulation. This head and shoulders that I pointed out could be developing played out. This is like the neckline here. I don't know. Could draw from there, you could draw from there. It doesn't really matter, probably. We came up to almost like try to retest it right there, which you can kind of see if you drew maybe more of a horizontal neckline instead of a sloped one, probably did get a touch there. Everything's pretty deep in the pullback now. You got 3 legs down in this pullback. Wow, yeah, we're I think this was the interest rate announcement here, September 17th. Interesting. See if we can jump into TradingView and just see how deep we are on the moving averages or something, but Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down. This thing's already bouncing quite a bit off of that low. Let's see, and then yeah, we're below my this is the hourly 55. This is the 4-hour 21, and then this is the daily 8. Yeah, we've dropped below all of them, so this uptrend is pretty much over, at least for now. Clearly going probably into more of a range like this, it looks like. But anytime we have dipped below this daily 8, like even this one's bounced, and now we're like way below it. And we probably bouncing here at the 420 level, it looks like. Market has a sense of humor, it looks like. Yeah, it got just a couple ticks away from 420. Now it's got a 100-point bounce. Dip buyers are stepping in. Anyway, let me know if you caught that short on the open there. I mean, I basically made day's wages just on this little move right here. Look at how much this thing's moving, so have to be greedy or scared. Yeah, this thing is getting real volatile though. Look at that. We just wicked off 520. We're already down 40 points in a minute. Back to 480. Yeah, still looks like power's to the downside, but this was probably one of the bigger rallies we've seen in this downtrend. Wow, but yeah, this thing is still cooking, man. This thing is really cooking. Wow. It's tempting, but I don't see, if you look at this, like, why do I want to risk this 560 that I'm up today? I mean, there's no reason. Once you're positive on the day, it can be really disheartening if you turn that into a red number. They call it FAFO, right? Yeah, FAFO. Better just you got a number you're happy with. It really is better to have the discipline to just lock it in and walk away. I didn't realize I had horizontal lines on this chart back here. Where is this thing gonna bounce? Anybody's guess. It's a bloodbath right now for whatever reason. I mean, this short up at the 25K level. Looking pretty brilliant. This pullback was probably about 400. 24,000. This one was about 750, so this one was about it really is tempting to try and trade this down here at these levels though, because alright, I'm gonna FAFO. Wow, it didn't even give me any entry there. Huh. Yeah, it's like pushing, it just doesn't want to get there, does it? $657? Oh my goodness. I think we gotta kill. Oh my goodness, are you serious? Okay, let's see, what is that? Oh, now we're up 500, so... a little FAFO, and it worked out in my favor. But that's... yeah, I don't like the way this thing is actually acting, so... I don't know why this doesn't want to load my info for today now. Huh, I don't know, that's weird. Same thing here. It's like not wanting to load anything. I don't know. Yeah, weird. Now all of a sudden it doesn't want to do anything. I guess we'll have to look at it tomorrow. Weird. Yeah, I feel like it's going into a chop, but we still grab some 7 to 1 or so. Which, oh, there it is. There's today. So yeah, so our first trade, we went into this, and we decided let's do some FAFO. I don't know why it's distributing the profit and loss this way. That's weird. I don't know. It's always good to hit this thing and just make sure nothing got left on the chart. Now it's blasting again. this slightly higher low here, which means we probably target some of these levels now. Yeah, I'm really not in the mood though. This is kind of weird. Oh, there it is. Now it's showing everything. It wasn't showing this last $300 trade. That's what was going on. About 18%. Just some small wins. This week. Yeah. So yeah, we had these. This is the FAFO stuff, so handful of losses here, a couple wins, another handful of losses, and then final win. Cumulative without fees. With fees, we're up 1,500 this week on this account. Best trades 1,000. Got a $65 winner in there. I think because we were like ended up having like longs and shorts on the chart at the same time, and I didn't clean it up. I just let it play out. 15%, 4% break even, and 80% loss. I mean, that's pretty consistent with the Apex numbers for the last 2 weeks as well. Look at last week plus this week. Yeah, 78%, 9%, 12%. I think I'd probably pay more fees and commissions and stuff in Tradeify. Seems like they're pretty high over there. I don't know. Man, just this week, 264. Total trades would be 46. This is 119 trades and it's only this much? Yeah. Yeah, you gotta pay to play, as I say. It makes it a little more challenging if they're dinging you harder on the fees and commissions, so Apex is probably where, if I get some good opportunities to get really rolling, Apex is where I'll do it, is what I'm thinking. Yeah, because look at 46 trades, which is like, I don't know, like a third of the trades, and I paid this much in fees and commissions. This one's almost in 240 contracts, so that's in and out. 92 contracts, it's in and out. Profitable trades is a little lower on this for the 2-week run, but positive expectancy. Yeah, I started this probably a couple hundred in drawdown, but no biggie. No biggie. See how it goes. One more day of trading this week. This whole 2 weeks, almost is built on 15 winning trades. This week of trading is 7 winning trades. It's pretty impressive. Very cool. Yeah. Yeah, so the last... Yeah, so I took we had a $60 slip, it looks like, but then a $10. That was probably only tried to go to break even on one of them. I don't know. Or maybe, who knows? Who knows? It's usually 40 to 45, but sometimes you got a 50 or a 60. I've even seen a slip up to like 75, I think. But yeah, see, that's 80, 160, and then hit a 300. This was down 110 plus 85, which would be 195. So this one paid, and then it was actually up about 65. And then, yeah, this one put us up another 120, 165. This one put us up another 135. Yeah, I don't know. Not exactly sure on the math, but yeah, so you got like 135 off of this and another 65 it looks like here. So probably, yeah, that's why we're up about almost 200 here. But with all the fees and commissions, man. Cumulative with fees, they kill us here. Yeah, so see how it goes. I mean, I need to make another 6K to hit a payout in Apex. This one, oh, it's a long ways. It's like 11.8 whatever K away, so and 6K in Apex would just be to get it funded. This one's already funded, so yeah, we got a long ways to go, but if you guys are enjoying watching this trading journey, yeah, look at this, all the way back up, which I said it right, you got the higher low. This thing probably going to start running these like this high, and this one, and I said that when it was like over here. But yeah, I don't know, we'll leave this set on 15. Close that out, drop that to 15, which is where I like it. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day. This is Trader Joe signing out.